Hi guys, today I'm introducing you to TruthKit, the open source skill that creates a source of truth inside any project, new or existing. The idea is simple. Once you initialize the source of truth, any provider and any new session you start will know exactly what you're working on, what stage your project is at, and what needs to be done next. This saves a lot of tokens too, because instead of reading the entire codebase to understand the project, the AI only needs to read the source of truth. It'll also know exactly how to keep it updated, which is a great practice, especially if you're working on production-ready projects for clients. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. Let me open a project that doesn't have the source of truth indetional yet, so I can show you how this works. As you can see, there's no source of truth in here yet. Let's open Codex. You can see the usage for my $100 plan. We're at 100% of the 5-hour quota right now, so you'll get an idea of how much it takes to set up TruthKit. We copy the repo link, then copy the prompt from the How to Use It section, and we run it. Alright, we're almost done with the initialization. After it finishes, it'll start asking questions that it needs answers to. Let's answer the first one. While that's being processed, let's check what files it created inside the project. We have 12 files. Now we need to answer the second question, and we'll keep going until there are no more questions. This step is really important. The more context it has, the better your experience will be. All right, it's done. As you can see, it used 10% of my 5-hour quota. Not much, but trust me, it's worth it. In the meantime, I've opened 2 new providers inside the same project with fresh conversations. Let's see if they're picking up the source of truth. Let's ask OpenCode, and let's ask Claude too. Both of them know exactly what this project is about, without reading the full codebase. Now let's check if there's any misalignment between the source of truth and the actual codebase. Let's tell Claude to fix anything that's off, then commit and push to GitHub. In the questionnaire, we also added a new feature for how the thecleanerpro should behave, specifically whether it should have full permissions or ask before making important decisions. It picked that up. Now let's also tell it to add GitHub pages, link the published NPM version to the repo, and implement that new functionality. Almost there. Let's run the thecleanerpro and see if the changes went through. They did. Everything works as expected. GitHub repo and GitHub pages were set up perfectly. If you're interested in using the TheCleanerpro, the link is in the description. And if you come up with new ways to improve it, let me know. I'd love to make it even better. That's it for today. I hope this was helpful, and if it was, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want to help the algorithm out, subscribe to the channel so this gets pushed to other people who might need these two open source tools. All the links are in the description. Bye for now.